Jocelyn Nozak, SEO apprentice at Nozak Consulting. I hear a lot of chatter out there. SEO, SEM, SMM, M&Ms. What does it all mean? I'm going to break it down for you today. SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of increasing the number of visitors to a website by achieving high rank in the search results. The higher website ranks in the result pages, the greater the chance is that the users visit the site. SEM, search engine marketing. This term is often used to describe acts associated with efforts to achieve maximum exposure in the SERPs. SEM may include SEO, PPC campaigns, social media campaigns, and other search engine-related services. The function of these services is to increase exposure to your website and to increase the amount and quality of sales leads. Remember, sales are the lifeblood of your business. There's one more term I would like to break down for you today. SMM, social media marketing. This is the practice of brand promotion or website promotion through social media. SMM is a subset of SEM. SEO is included with SEM. SEO is also a subset of SEM. Why does all this matter? Here are a couple frequently asked questions. When will you start running our ads? You're in an SEO package, not an SEM package. Know the difference. When somebody creates a scope for you, that's when you find out if it's SEO, SEM, SMM, or all of it. I'm looking out for you. I'm JJ. If you have any SEO questions, visit us at nozakconsulting.com. Bye. Who's getting my latte?